welcome to the first video of our training. So I'm going to be working with these small tools for the beginning stage. Okay, this is going to be in series. Okay, so when we move to more advanced stage, I'm going to get us into the bigger desk where you're going to see bigger instrument. Why am I starting with few instruments? I feel that there are a lot of people who don't even have that money to buy all the equipment for phone repairs. So with these basic tools that you are seeing on this desk, you can repair some basic stuff on phone and start making money. Okay, so that is the reason for that. Although I'm going to show you different tools for phone repairs so that you can be aware that all those tools exist within the training. Okay, this first video is going to be very short because I'm going to be giving you an assignment, something to work with, because we're going to be uploading videos now every Friday. Every Friday we're going to be uploading videos. The video we're going to upload next week is going to be more. So this week we're uploading this introduction video so that you can know what to expect. Okay, I don't want to rush you or bombard you with lots of information and at the end of the day you are confused. Okay, so there are basic terminologies that you need to write down. Okay, get your pen and your book. Now you're going to make research, then next week we're going to dive into them, explaining them, and making it more understanding for you. Okay, so the first thing you want to make research about is voltage. Just write it down. I'm going to give you a little expo. Voltage is a electrical force that makes it possible for current to flow. So you make more research about voltage. The next thing is current. You make research about current. Okay, the flow of voltage, you make research about it. The next one is resistance, resistor or resistance. You make research about it. The next one is energy. Okay, now all these things are the terms you are going to be hearing within the course of our training, and you may not want to be blacked out, something like that. You will not want to be looking confused. Then the last one is power. Yes, you need to make research and understand those terminologies very well. Okay, and the science. So today I'm going to be explaining the basic tools that we have on the desk. Okay, I'm going to be explaining the basic tools that we have on the desk and how they work. Okay, now this over here is multimeter. Okay, there will be a session for multimeter, a whole session for multimeter, where I'm going to explain everything, how to use it, how to test components of it in a device, and also how to test different devices with it. Okay, now basically, without giving you headache in definition, the multimeter is a device that is used to test the functionality of a component. It can be a device, a component in a device. You use it to test the functionality, use it to test whether something is working or whether something is faulty or whether something is dead. Okay, so all through your work as a phone engineer, you're going to be needing this. Very important, because this is what you'll be using to know if something is working, faulty, or if that thing is totally flat, dead. Okay, so it's very, very important to multimeter. Okay, there will be a complete series on multimeter. So that is it. Then this is a basic screw box. Okay, that is used to lose phones. You can see that. A screwdriver is a small kit. There are bigger kits that you're going to be seeing me work with on the bigger desk. Okay, so this is a soldering iron. Yes, there is actually a bigger device that when you have it, it comes together with this. Okay, this is together with that attached in that device. Okay, when we get to that stage, I'm going to explain it to you. Use this to also repair phone. This is like a socket. I call it socket. Okay, when you're working and you want to suck things out, you just pam, you suck it out. Okay, you also use this along with this. All this I'm going to be explaining to you. Okay, I just want you to have it at the back of your mind that these are the basic tools that you can use to start your phone repair business. So this, of course, is a phone which we are going to be, studying the battery, the components, opening everything, using it to understand how other phones works. Okay, so, and I also advise you to get a phone, okay, like a phone that is not working. Get the panel of the phone, or get a complete phone that is not working. Is very, very important. Okay, so that is not the end of today's session. Okay, for some of you who want to start making money immediately, you still want to be learning how to repair phone, but you are just looking for something in phone repair business that can help you start making money quick. Me and my team, we are working on a complete course on phone flashing and unlocking business, how to fully start it, how to operate those softwares, how to use it, and how to tackle different problems when it comes to unlocking iPhones, the network, flashing phones, and all those things. So if you are interested, immediately you are done watching this video, there will be a link that is going to direct you to my WhatsApp. Okay, you're going to click on it. I will add you on the waiting list, so when that course is out, you can buy that one. But this phone repair that is working on components, repairing phone, is totally free. Every Friday I'm going to be dropping at least minimum of 3 videos on how to repair phones every week, and they are going to be ordered. Okay, I'm not going to skip any part. It's going to be like ABC. Okay, I'm not going to pick one topic from Z, and then the next week we'll now pick a topic from A. Okay, so it's going to be after A we move to B, after B we move to C, after C we move to D. Okay, so a quick recap on what I said is these are the basic tools that you can use when you start understanding how phone functions and how to repair phones. Okay, so next week we're going to talk about the basic components of a phone. We're going to talk about the battery of a phone. Okay, how to know if a phone battery is totally dead, how to know if a phone battery is still revivable. Okay, so next week we're going to talk about it, and then we're going to talk a little bit about multimeter next week. Okay, so please, lastly, I want to beg you to subscribe. Okay, if you are watching from a website that is not your YouTube app, okay, I want to beg you to subscribe, download YouTube on your phone, so that you can also download the videos. Because if you have YouTube on your phone and you register with YouTube, which is free, okay, which is free of charge, you can now download the videos from YouTube and watch it after. Okay, it's very, very important that you do that. So your subscription is one of the ways you are supporting me for teaching you how to repair phone for free. Okay, so thank you for everyone on my community. I want to especially thank you. I appreciate you all for your patience, and here we have started, and by the grace of God, in few weeks, everyone that watched this video and practice everything I will be teaching will start repairing phone. Okay, you will have a phone repairing skill. If you have any question, please, you can drop it on the comment section of this video. I will come back and answer you. God bless you, and see you next Friday in Jesus' name.